Welcome to this orientation video for Metauni Algebraic Geometry, or MAG. I'll assume that you've followed the instructions to set up Roblox, including verifying your age, so that you can use the voice chat. To enter the venue, follow this link, and click the green play button. This will take you into the Rising Sea, one of the experiences that are part of Metauni. This is the venue for MAG lectures and exercise sessions. The lectures will take place over here on these blackboards. You'll see above my head is a microphone icon. This is the way you interact with the Roblox voice chat. Click on it to unmute and to mute. If you see something other than this, perhaps a warning or a red icon showing you that something is wrong, voice chat may be malfunctioning. Usually you can fix this by quitting the experience and then re-entering. If the problem persists, please check with an admin on Discord for help. Roblox's voice chat is positional, which means that people who are far away can't hear you. Alright. These are blackboards. We call them metaboards. To use a metaboard, click on it and write. This is an orb. Orbs facilitate talks at Metauni. To attach to an orb as listener, which you should do at the beginning of a lecture, click and hold. There is now a halo above my head, which is an indicator that I'm listening from the position of the orb. I'll hear whatever the orb can hear. Even if the speaker moves away from me and becomes less audible under normal circumstances because of Roblox's positional voice chat, because I'm listening from the orb and the orb follows the speaker, I'll continue to hear them clearly. Some people like to manually position their camera in order to look at a board. You can zoom into your head with the I or O keys on a keyboard, or pinch and zoom on an iPad or another tablet. But perhaps the most convenient way to watch a lecture is to use the orb cam. Here you're viewing from roughly the position of the orb, and since the orb follows the speaker, as the speaker moves from board to board, your view will also move. So in short, the easiest way to listen to a talk is to attach as listener to the orb, turn on orb cam, and sit back and enjoy. To detach from the orb, when you're ready to stop listening from the position of the orb, click here. The final item to discuss today are pockets. Pockets are pocket universes which belong to you, the student. They're full of boards. You can write on them, and the contents of the boards will remain there when you leave. You can use them to do exercises or to prepare something to show other people. Let's take a look inside here. You can see that there are 8 boards here inside Eleanor's pocket, and some additional portals which go into sub-pockets within this one. To head back to the top level, we simply walk through the return portal. Inside a pocket, you're the boss. You can set permissions, turn off boards for guests, or control who else can make pockets inside that one. To claim a pocket, walk up to an empty portal like this one and walk into it. That is, touch it, and you'll claim it and be able to choose a template for your pocket. Alright, so that's it for this brief orientation video. Kenneth and I look forward to hanging out with you in a few weeks in Metauni Algebraic Geometry.